Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Volkswagen Golf Match. Now of course this is the 1.6 litre TDI and you do get LED daytime running lights. You then also get front parking sensors. You also get these brilliant diamond cut 16-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming around to the rear, you also have your rear parking sensors as well. Coming into the tailgate, you do have the hidden button, so you press the Volkswagen badge backwards like so, and as you can see, the tailgate will open like so. You've then got 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with the boot floor when it is on the upper level. Lower the boot floor down like so, and you'll see that you will be able to store any bigger or any larger objects in there, so as it does increase the boot capacity. Coming out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all around. Coming into the front, we then have your DSG gearbox in the middle, with your parking sensors off just here. Your drive mode, as you can choose between eco, normal, sport and individual. You've got your air conditioning controls in the middle. We've then got your touchscreen display, which comes with your various radio bands just here. We've then got your various media sources as well, just here. Then we've got satellite navigation. We've got your SmartLink, or your App Connect, which enables your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume and your cruise control just above there. Then over on the right, we have your track select and then your onboard computer controls just above. As you can see, this Golf has done 56,810 miles, but jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Volkswagen Golf, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.